Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2022 C8. I think it's called Caffeine, the color, to replace Zeus. Full front on this with some ceramic, polished out, window film, and the wheels were done. Those are some pretty slick wheels. Looks like they're offset a little bit, yeah. But anyway, let's take a walk around this guy. Just had its minor scuffing from the factory or from the dealers wiping down or whatever, just from touching it. Sometimes they use some dirty towels or things they shouldn't be wiping them off with. But let's go over some highlights of what we do here when we wrap the Vette here. So wrapping in all these edges, we make sure there's no cutouts. Everything gets fully wrapped in. Okay. Hood gets done with no issues, totally glossed out. No marks or any adhesive marks, anything from pushing, pulling. And headlights were done. All this is wrapped in from the fender to the headlight. Our full bumper all done in one section. This guy drove this car less than 100 miles. And here's a mark, and this is why you should do your car. That gouged the bumper right there. That didn't even happen with 30 miles on the car. It's just not lucky. But he's not going to repair that, and I don't think I'd repaint the whole car or the whole bumper for that. But yeah, that's the luck of the draw. Some people go, I don't need that bra. It really stinks to have that on your brand new car with less than 100 miles. But here we are on the passenger side, getting all that wrapped in nice and clear. All this wrapped in up top. All this wrapped in to the door area. Behind these, all wrapped in, just nothing hanging out. Everything's put away. Mirrors, nicely done. And then back here, all the correction. Ceramic coated 5-year Heallite by Feynlabs. So it self-heals on scuffs and swirls. And there it is. So there's an overall. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. You guys need anything? 214-414-3809. Clearbrow, North Dallas. Thanks for watching.